How to turn on Gemini on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to use Gemini on your iPhone? So it is not inbuilt in your iPhone like Android, but it's very simple. You can head over to App Store and just download Gemini app from there. So you need to go to the search bar at the bottom right and then search for Gemini. And then once you find it, you can just tap on it and download it. And then you can easily start chatting with Gemini after it is installed. You can even allow microphone access and then talk with your Gemini assistant. So this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.